Dear student front forward, today we are going to discuss about CSS essay writing. With the blessing of Almighty God, a lot of students they have passed MA English and now they are thinking about CSS DMS exam. And they have requested me, sir, to prepare video related to CSS exam. So today I would like to discuss how to write CSS essay. CSS stands for Central Superior Services. So for that, candidate across the Pakistan, candidate from all over the country, they are taking part. So it is not for provincial level, rather it is for federal level. So it also known as Federal Service Commission. For that, you have to prepare 100 marks essay. So it's not an easy job. Right in front of you, if you see on the screen, you see that there are 10 topics and they have been given, and you have to select one topic. You have to write detailed essay. So around about 2500 to 3000 words you have to write. For that you need deep literature review. You must study around about 200 articles. So greater the level of your study, greater or accuracy, greater will be refinement, or there will be great refinement especially in your writing. So higher the study, higher the level of accuracy. So how you are going to create this accuracy and how you are going to achieve this level. Today I will guide you all what is CSS, how you are going to prepare, and now you know that in November, December this exam will be conducted. But you have to prepare for it, whether you are preparing for 2020 or 2021 exam. I'll guide you. We have decided that we'll discuss all CSS papers, whether it's pressy writing or it's essay writing or it's English literature. We'll discuss all one by one. So you just stay connected with the academy. So first of all, let's select our topics. You know that we are a candidate of CSS exam and we have to select at least one essay out of 10 topics. You see, first of all, you see your interest, whether you're interested in literature, linguistic, or fictional work, or scientific work, or you're interested in war, or democracy, or in religious activities. So you have to see democracy, or you are interested to discuss some socio-political points. So you have to see topic that is in your interest. So let's see. So first topic has been given. Let there be more light in the corridors of the worship place. I'd like that you should skip and move toward, because you are a man of literature, you have studied MA English, so you must see what is related to literature. New Warfront lies in the economic zone. Urdu literature and progress movement. If you are related to Urdu, you should write this. Art for peace. Art for peace. If you are interested in arts, select this topic. It's in front of you, make an outline, and after that write 25 to 3000 words. Truth lived, not taught. So if you want to discuss about truth, you have thorough knowledge about, you have studied something, write about truth. New waves of feminisms and our cultures. So if you have studied some articles or books related to feminism, I recommend that you should write on feminisms and discuss all about feminisms and cultures and how feminism has got its growth and what was the first layer, second layer, third, fourth, fifth layer of feminism. Discuss all about this and what is feminism. Describe. First of all, you should make it just like patterns. You make your introduction, body, and conclusion, and you should format, give proper format, and after that write the what called essay. So for that, in next video I will try to make the sketch of essay, how you are going to write good essay. So now I'm just gonna discuss how to select the topic. So according to your interest, you are going to select essay. So here is a democracy. So democracy, if I'm interested in politics and I have written something, or I have studied related to democracy, or perhaps there are some people, they even completed a PhD or MPhil, even MPhil, and they have written some thesis related to democracy. They have written some articles, so it will be very, very easy for those people. They have already written something related to democracy. Sometimes we do not see what we see. So it's also philosophical topics. You can write expanding information technology, a curse or blessing. You have to discuss whether information technology is curse or blessing, and then you'll discuss about the mobile, computer, or what call the you could say latest mobiles. You will discuss about laptop, you will discuss computer, information technology, how information is flowing from here to other countries, like talk about the recent you could say pandemics, and it is just the information related to the dead people from coming from America across the world. You are getting information. Classroom decide the futures of the nations. Here you can discuss in details, right? 25 to 3,000 words. So hope you learned about what is essay, how we are going to write essay, especially in CSS. It is make sure it is 100 marks, and out of 100 you have to get at least 50%. 50% marks will be good for you if you get. So try to get good marks out of 100, so that you pass it with good marks, so that you be selected in exam after exam. So here are some 10 topics. Out of 10 topics you have to select according to your interest. 100 marks, only one essay you have to written, but you have to write 2,500 to 3,000 words. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Once if you like to subscribe our channel, just go to YouTube bar. So what you write over there, simply you go there. So what you need to do over here, just open like this. I just want to guide you what you write over there. You open YouTube, so type here the ESL Academy. So once you type the ESL Academy, so right in front of you there will be CSS Academy. So you can subscribe our channel. A lot of videos related to MPhil Linguistic, MA English, or related to motivational videos. So it is up to you what you want to learn. So here in our channel you will get a lot of videos like this. So just subscribe and like our channel. Stay blessed and have a nice time.